Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lobster noodles, step by step. First, let's get our star ingredient ready. You'll want to prepare fresh lobster, either by steaming or boiling it for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's perfectly cooked. Once cooled, carefully remove all the succulent meat from the tail and claws, then chop it into lovely bite-sized pieces. This initial preparation is key to a fantastic dish, so take your time and enjoy the process. Next, let's get those noodles cooking and build our aromatic foundation. Cook your favorite fresh noodles according to the package instructions until they are perfectly al dente, then drain them thoroughly. In a large wok or pan, heat a tablespoon of oil and sauté 2 cloves of minced garlic and a 1-inch piece of grated ginger until they become wonderfully fragrant, which usually takes about 1 minute. Then, add 1 sliced shallot and a pinch of red chili for a subtle, delightful warmth. Now for the exciting part, bringing everything together. Gently introduce your chopped lobster meat into the pan with the fragrant aromatics, warming it through for just about 1 minute. Then, pour in your delicious prepared sauce. This could be a blend of 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and a teaspoon of sesame oil. Toss all the ingredients together thoroughly, ensuring every strand of noodle and every piece of lobster is beautifully coated with that rich, savory sauce. To finish off your incredible lobster noodles, it's all about those final touches. Garnish generously with 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped scallions and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for added texture and flavor. For an extra burst of freshness, a squeeze of fresh lime juice just before serving can really brighten up the dish. Serve your masterpiece immediately while it's hot, perhaps alongside some steamed bok choy for a perfectly balanced and truly memorable meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.